Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Plastic Scribe is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional craftsman looking to achieve precise and clean markings on various plastic surfaces, offering unparalleled accuracy and ease of use for intricate designs and detailed work. Number 5. Scrigit Scraper No Scratch Plastic Scraper Tool. Introducing the Scrigit Scraper, the ultimate multi-use plastic tool designed for a variety of tasks. It's perfect for removing stubborn food, labels, paint, and grease with ease. Protect your nails and surfaces with this handy tool. It works wonders as a dried-on food scraper, label remover, and even for automotive detailing. Featuring a flat edge for large areas and a round edge for curved surfaces, it tackles any job. It's dishwasher safe and designed for a comfortable, pen-like grip. This tool is perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach areas. Made from durable, safe plastic, it's ideal for label removal and even as a lottery scratch-off tool. Crafted with quality and care, this scraper is proudly made in the USA. Let it do the tough work for you, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Its convenient, slim design makes it easy to store at home, in your car, or at the office. It's the perfect addition to your cleaning kit for tackling grime in tight spots. Measuring 6 inches long with a pocket clip, it's designed for convenience. Consider getting a few for friends, as everyone can find a use for this versatile scraper. What we like. This tool is designed to save your nails and reach tight spaces. Its dual-edged tip is perfect for both flat and curved surfaces. If you're looking for a versatile scraper for everyday tasks like removing labels or dried food, this is a great choice. What people say. The Plastic Scribe is a versatile tool for marking various materials. It features a fine-tip design that allows for precise engraving. The durable plastic construction ensures longevity and resistance to breakage. Number 4. Kaisi Professional Electronics Opening Pry Tool Repair Kit. Introducing the Kaisi Professional Electronics Opening Pry Tool Repair Kit. This comprehensive 20-piece set is designed for all your electronic repair needs. Easily disassemble and repair smartphones, laptops, tablets, and more. It includes specialized tools for everything from screens to batteries. Crafted with professional-grade stainless steel, these tools are built for repeated use, ensuring longevity and performance. This kit features a variety of pry tools, including non-abrasive nylon and robust steel options, along with anti-static tweezers for delicate components. It also comes with screen protectors, screwdrivers, and cleaning cloths, making it perfect for replacing screens and keeping your devices pristine. Effortlessly open and repair any plastic casing on your devices. It's the ideal solution for smartphones, tablets, and other electronics. What we like. This comprehensive kit is built for electronics enthusiasts and repair professionals. It includes a variety of tools for disassembling and repairing smartphones, laptops, and more. If you frequently work with delicate electronics and need a wide array of specialized tools, this set is ideal. What people say. The Scribe has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to hold and control. It's very effective at marking thin lines on metal and plastic surfaces. The carbide tip is sharp and durable, allowing for precise engraving. Number 3. NEPAK 4-Pack Metal Scribe Tool. Introducing the NEPAK 4-Pack Metal Scribe Tool. This set is designed for precision and durability, making your marking tasks easier than ever. Each tool comes with replaceable tungsten carbide tips, ensuring long-lasting performance. You'll have everything you need for extended use. Equipped with a powerful magnet, it can easily pick up small metal parts and clear away steel filings. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your workspace clean and organized. The sharp carbide tip is wear-resistant, allowing you to make precise markings on a variety of tough materials. It's perfect for detailed work on steel, tiles, and more. Achieve clear and exact markings every time. The fine tip ensures accuracy, providing visible results for all your projects. Designed for comfort and convenience, the knurled aluminum handle provides a secure grip. The pocket clip makes it easy to carry, ideal for machinists, welders, and mechanics. What we like. This scribe tool features a durable tungsten carbide tip for precise and wear-resistant markings on tough materials. The magnetic feature is a game-changer for retrieving small parts and filings. If you're a machinist, welder, or mechanic who needs to make accurate marks on metal or tile, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Plastic Scribe is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including marking, scoring, and cutting. It features a comfortable grip and a sharp, durable tip that makes it easy to use. The Scribe is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for use in the workshop or on the go. Number 2. Professional Opening Pry Tool Repair Kit. Introducing a professional-grade repair kit designed for seamless device disassembly. This comprehensive set is your go-to solution for intricate electronic repairs. Equipped with non-abrasive nylon spudgers and anti-static tweezers, it ensures safe and efficient handling of delicate components. Tackle any repair with confidence. This 8-piece set features a variety of pry tools, including double-headed crowbars and flathead pry tools. They are perfect for safely separating device casings. It also includes a stainless steel spatula scraper and specialized ESD tweezers for precise manipulation. These tools are essential for detailed electronic work. All the tools are neatly housed in a convenient roll-up tool bag. Keep your essential repair equipment organized and ready for use anywhere. What we like. This repair kit offers a solid selection of non-abrasive nylon spudgers and essential tools for electronics repair. It's designed for safe disassembly of devices like smartphones and tablets. If you're a hobbyist or DIYer who needs a compact and effective set for common electronic repairs, this kit is a practical option. What people say. The Plastic Scribe is a versatile tool for various crafting and marking tasks. It features a fine tip point that allows for precise engraving on different materials. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during extended use. Number 1. Tamiya America Plastic Scriber 2. Discover the Tamiya America Incorporated Plastic Scriber 2, a versatile tool designed for precision detailing. Its compact size makes it easy to handle for intricate work. Crafted in Japan, this tool offers exceptional quality and durability. It's perfect for model enthusiasts and hobbyists seeking accuracy in their projects. With dimensions of 21.4 cm long, 7.8 cm wide, and 1.8 cm high, it provides a comfortable grip for extended use. Achieve the finest details with ease. This product comes as a single unit, ensuring you have the essential tool for your crafting needs. Experience the reliability of Japanese manufacturing. Whether you're working on figures or intricate models, this Scriber is an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Elevate your creations with this high-quality accessory. What we like. This is a specialized tool for detailed work, particularly in model making and crafting. Its fine plastic tip allows for precise scribing on plastic surfaces without causing damage. If you're a model builder or hobbyist who needs a delicate tool for creating panel lines or other fine details, this is the perfect instrument. What people say. The Plastic Scribe is a versatile tool for various crafting and marking tasks. Its fine-tip design allows for precise engraving on different materials. Durable construction ensures longevity for repeated use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.